In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize single words in Canva. This is a quick technique that adds emphasis and polish to your designs without changing the look of an entire sentence. Whether you're highlighting a key term in a headline, a product name in a caption, or a single word for stylistic flair, you'll be able to do it confidently by the end of this walkthrough. Start by opening your project in the Canva editor. Make sure you're on the page that contains the text you want to modify. Next, click once on the text box that includes the word you want to italicize. You should see a bounding box and the text toolbar appear at the top of the screen, which tells you the text is selected and ready to edit. Now enter text editing mode so you can target just one word. Click directly inside the text, then click and drag your cursor across the specific word you want to change. You'll see that word become highlighted. If you accidentally select too much, simply release the mouse and try again. A helpful tip: double-clicking a word often selects it instantly. You can also hold Shift and use the arrow keys to fine-tune your selection, which is great for precise control. With the word highlighted, apply italics. Look at the top toolbar and click the italic button, usually represented by a slanted eye. The change applies only to the highlighted word, leaving the rest of your text untouched. If you prefer shortcuts, you can press Ctrl+I on Windows. On a Mac, Command+I does the same thing. Keyboard shortcuts are especially handy when you're editing multiple words quickly. If you notice that the entire text becomes italicized, that usually means the whole text box was selected instead of just the word. Click inside the text again, make sure only the single word is highlighted, and apply italics once more. If the italic button is grayed out or nothing happens, your chosen font may not support italic styling. In that case, switch to a similar font that does. Look in the font drop-down and try one that offers italic variants. You can always press Ctrl or Command+Z to undo any change. That's all there is to it. Open your project, click the text box, highlight just the word you want, and apply italics from the toolbar or with a quick shortcut. With this simple method, you can add emphasis exactly where you need it, keeping your design clean, readable, and professional.